Hi and welcome. I am Simone, the teacher and the creator. Welcome. I'm so happy you've decided to start my Become Fluent in 90 Days course. I will give you the tools to become fluent in English in only 90 days. So exciting, right? Okay, so let's get started. First, I want you to define your goals in English. So a lot of my students just kind of say, I want to learn English. Great, but how will you know once you've learned English? How will you know that you've gotten to your goal? And I know setting a goal can seem kind of pointless or kind of weird, but it actually helps you focus on what you want from English. So, for example, you could say, I want to travel to England in April. So I know that to travel to England, I need to know travel vocabulary, and I know when I need to finish my goal. Another example would be, I want to be fluent in English in just 90 days. Whatever your goals are, it is important to focus on what it is you want from English. Otherwise, you might never know that you actually have achieved your goal, and you might get lost because you have little motivation. Action item. Sit down, get a pen and paper, and write down your English goal. Make sure it's something you want to learn about. So the next step to setting your goal is creating something called a system. A system is basically a step-by-step daily plan of how you will reach your goal. A goal itself is really helpful, but how do you know exactly what to do to reach your goal? If you just have a goal out in the air, perhaps it might seem unattainable, or it might seem kind of not real, and then you feel bad if you don't meet your goal. But if you create a system, a list of something you're going to do every day, then you know that every day you're taking small steps to reach that goal. Systems are great for getting you to feel accomplished each day, even if it's just something little, like today I'm going to read a chapter in my English book. This system that I have made will actually help you go through day by day and decide what it is that you need to do to actually meet your goal. So an example of a system would be, I study English for 10 minutes every day, and I read 10 minutes each night in my book in English. So the next step in my 90 days to English fluency is to decide what you want to learn. This goes along with the goal that you already set in step 1. So for example, I want to travel to England in April. Cool, so now you know what you need to learn. You need to learn travel vocabulary. Are you ready for your journey? Because I'm ready to guide you. So let's get started today, and good luck. Also, don't forget to send us a message, a Facebook comment, or a Pinterest message if you are doing this journey and you want to check in with me and tell me how it's going, or if you have any questions. Happy learning.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to jump on and say that I am offering a free PDF to help you with your English goals. So make sure you grab that. It is in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. And also join my Facebook group. It's completely free and I would love to have you in there. All right, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.